What's up, investors? Ken here from the Dyslexic Investor, and OMG, we just put, if you just watching this video for the first time, we put in like a price target around like 330-ish at, we did some analysis and we put a price target in at $671, and just within the last month or so, we're up well over $100 already, which is absolutely insane. Like, this momentum in this stock is just crazy, unheard of. Wish I would have bought in here at this line here. Just didn't have the fortitude and the cash to be able to build a substantial starter position here. My misfortune. I hope everyone else is still in it, or even bought, as have been holding for some time, or got in at this level. Like, this is my trigger went off, but I just didn't pull the trigger because I'm human and I messed up, guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and just jump into some articles here on what is causing this ginormous influx of just buying in this huge momentum swing up. Let's just look at the technical side real fast. On the daily chart, RSI clearly overbought, but that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean anything. That can go higher. If we zoom that out to a weekly chart, we are just crossing into it in the last 2 weeks. But again, we've had this in the past where it was just riding up for nearly 2 or 3 months at a time. So this could easily go up for another month or so if there's not any headwind. We do have their earnings coming out the 29th of this month. So that is not a good thing to establish this this rally. So this could be, they need to deliver this coming quarter. So that being said, we'll be looking at this right here. So Tesla delivered 367,500 cars last year. That's a substantial amount of cars. So that's 50% more cars delivered than the previous year. So if we break that down into what models, so they're saying they sold on reported Friday, this is the 3rd, so this is the following Friday, before the new year, that they had about 19,450 Model S's and X's. They probably put that in the same category. They're like the premium versions. And then their main thoroughbred and their main seller is, of course, the Model 3, with the Model Y coming this summer, hopefully, which was about 92,000, which is nearly up 50% from the previous year, which is great news. Another great news is that they opened up in China, and they're producing cars there crazy fast. That whole factory went up within less than a year and is able to kick out cars, and this is their first expansion outside of the US, and now they're announced earlier last year too that they're going to be building another gigafactory in Berlin, Germany. So this is all super exciting news. We got some more things. Here's the Tesla delivery. Here's some of the very first Tesla owners being able to get their surprises and their wonderful cars pumped out the door. It's quite impressive. Some of the landscapes that you can see here. We're going to pause this. I think there's some overviewing pictures here. You can see this of the factory that this was built less than a year, and Elon Musk gives a big round of applause to the construction crew and the engineers to get this factory up and running. It's kind of mind-boggling. Very impressive. Here is so this is the previous Friday as well. They're saying that the reason I like this article is they break down on what a delivery is. So the company says it counts a car as delivered if it has been transferred to the customer and all paperwork is correct. So that means everything is dotted sign, and so forth, and everything is ready, set to go. Everything is checked. The I's are dotted, the T's are crossed. That's what is considered a delivered car. And then that's slightly different from what has been produced. That being said, They're looking for a substantially increase in their cars this quarter and looking for a further bullish sentiment for the stock to continue going higher. So looking at the chart here, it's super hard. It's super hard to say to buy in here on a huge, pretty big gap up today. Again, this thing has had a crazy ride. If you just look here on a daily chart, on a weekly chart here, on this thing, and then we look at a monthly chart here, this has been a massive run since like 2011. So basically, over the last 9 years, from $14 to $454, that's been quite a monster run. Definitely looking for more upside. I'm waiting patiently here on the sidelines to potentially to get in around like the 330 or the 300 level. It might not ever get there. Who knows? But I would like to know what everyone else is still sticking with Tesla, which most likely believe you guys are. And leave your comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're interested in more stock analysis, technical, and then some fundamental stuff. Greatly appreciate it. This is Ken from the Dyslexic Investor. Catch you guys on the flip side. Peace!